Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I thought I would check the shortwave bands this afternoon because the doctor who tells you about solar conditions said that starting this weekend, the solar flux index should improve. Now, it's been pretty bad, down in the 60s, which is pretty bad for shortwave listening. She said it would improve slightly and be in the 70s, and right now I believe it's like 73, which is an improvement, but it's nowhere near 100, which is what you want. And it appears the bands are pretty good. This is the 20-meter amateur radio band, and you can see there are some really strong signals. And what you heard was a QSO from Michigan going on. And this one person is very strong, and he's talked to a lot of people throughout the United States. I haven't heard him talk to anybody outside the United States. He's talked to people in California, Florida, New York. Let me just turn the audio back up again for a few minutes. So what he said there is that person that he was talking to was his 177th contact this afternoon. So band conditions are improved. Maybe only slightly, but they are improved. Now, let's go up to, or down to, let's go to 31 meters, which is about 9 megahertz, and see if there's any international broadcast. There's 9. I need to change the mode to AM. And it looks pretty sparse. One strong signal there. Probably just noise. Let me turn the volume up. Yeah, just noise. Something over here. Oh, there's a strong one right there.
And what they don't understand is the local authorities, they don't want you to straighten it out. So, I don't know. I think perception is everything, and I think that the only way...
Now, unfortunately, let me turn this back down for a second. Unfortunately, that sounds like a local medium wave station. Now, I do have, my configuration is, I'm using my outside antenna, my long wire outside antenna. I'm using a medium wave filter to prevent medium wave stations from coming in. I'm using the SDR Play 1 SDR. And of course, this is HD SDR software. But that does sound like a local medium wave station. Let me turn it back on again and listen for a few minutes.
And I don't know if it's a lack of training, perhaps, certainly no lack of enthusiasm, and sometimes that enthusiasm may not be well placed, but with the proper training and the proper tact, the people who like to go out and do the emergency communications can be a great asset. But unfortunately, it seems like the opposite are the more visible bunch, and therefore you get the reputation as being, what's the term?
Okay, I think I'm wrong. I think it is a shortwave broadcast, since he's talking about emergency communications.
Exactly. The city with the officers. Right, exactly. Work together with the city, get a little training, do things the way that the city, work within the parameters that the city lays out.
I frankly don't know what that is. Now, let's go use the frequency manager here, and let's go to radio bands. No, let's go to the database, EIBI database. and we will search on the current frequency that I have tuned. I might be a little bit off. And see if there's a match. No match is found, but it could be that I'm a little off. Let's see, 9.2505. Let me turn the audio back up and tune that and see if it's a nice round number.
We can't do the job. We can't be responsible. We're not going to have guys that are going to fly off the handle because we're training them through courses that are offered not only by states like Tennessee, there's a lot of courses, but
Trans World Radio. That could be Trans World Radio. Now, I don't know where the transmitter. Let me turn the volume down. I don't know where the transmitter would be. So it could be a match. Could be a match. Let me see what else. It's moderately strong. And again, it's 3:30 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. There's a couple more frequencies. Let me turn the audio back up. No. Can't make that one out. It's there, but it's pretty weak. Now here's a stronger one. Could be data. Can't make that one out either. Let's close this down. And we'll tune up the band a little bit. This is probably just noise here. There's a strong signal.
We were straying sheep, but he could say in Isaiah 50 verses 5 and 6, I was not rebellious,
see if I'm right on
neither
here.
turned away back. I gave my back to the from shame and spitting.
That's right on. Let's try the
It says of
database.
him in Philippians 2:8, he became obedient unto death, even the death of the cross. A Roman scourge laid open his back as a plowed field. A crown of thorns was pressed upon his brow.
Well, it looks strong, but
They put a purple robe around him and gave him a reed in his hand and bowed the knee.
my point is, I think the doctor has predicted right that conditions are a little better. I mean, lately I've been able to get nothing on shortwave, even on my setup that I'm using right now, where I use an outside antenna, my G5 RB antenna. I've been able to get. It's like the bands are dead. I'm getting a little bit, and maybe they will improve as the day goes on. So get your radios out, turn your shortwave radios on, and see if you're getting improvements also. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.